Due to the coronavirus COVID-19, World Health is on alert. Because of this, we offer you recommendations that help prevent the pandemic. Important, this information, it is a preventive supplement and does not replace the corresponding medical treatments. Key recommendations. Stay in the house. If you need to go out, don't frequent very crowded places. Use gel alcohol or other disinfectant. Wash your hands during the day with antibacterial soap. Find out what are the least crowded hours if you go to the market. Carry sanitizer with you and use face masks. Keep distance from other people. Make your payments with a debit or credit card. Avoid using money in cash or coins since these being metal, the virus lives longer on these surfaces. Scientists make the following recommendations. Consume lemon juice without sugar, vitamin C and D, olive oil, kuruma tea and ginger. Other recommendations. Start taking high-quality vitamin C and make sure children consume it. Eating beef liver. Eating carrot and sweet orange juices. Take alkalizing substances every day. Take fennel tea twice a day. It is advisable to drink tea after meals. Keep the body in an alkaline state. A body with alkaline pH does not get sick, on the contrary, a body with acidic pH is more prone to get sick. Substances that help alkalinize the body. Magnesium chloride. Sodium bicarbonate. Olive oil and lemon juice, turmeric tea. Ginger and black pepper boosts the immune system. Lemon juice diluted in water without sugar. In the face of this pandemic, it is our responsibility to take care of ourselves and others. Share this information with your friends and family. If you liked it, do not forget to click on like and subscribe to be aware of the coolest things in the world.